Alright, we're going to look at area now. More specifically, to start with, looking at unit conversions for the area. So we previously looked in perimeter and length. We looked at millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers. In area, we've got some units that are millimeters squared, centimeters squared, meters squared. We've got hectares and kilometers squared. Now, when we talk about area, it's the shape of it. It's the measurement of the inside of a 2D shape. Okay, so it's a flat surface. So if you look at the example here, you've got a rectangle. It's 4 centimeters across, so 4 little squares across, 2 up, so 2 high. And what we do in this sort of one in time, multiplying 4 by 2, which gives you 8. So you've got 8 square little units. Okay, so this will be 8 square centimeters. So have a look at a couple of unit conversions. Now, the first one we're looking at here is converting from meters squared to centimeters squared. So the key here is to have a look at where centimeters squared are and where meters squared are. So if I'm at meters squared and I want to go back to centimeters squared, it means I need to multiply by 10,000. So what I do here is I've got 6 centimeters, so 6 meters squared. I'll multiply that by 10,000, which then gives me an answer of 60,000 centimeters cubed. We'll just check that on the calculator. Six times 10,000, got you 60,000 centimeters squared. If we have a look at this one over here, we've got 18,500 meters squared to hectares. So here's our meters squared. We're going to go to hectares, so across the top this time. So this time we divide by 10,000 because we're going from a smaller unit up to a bigger unit. So 18,500, we'll divide that one by 10,000. And we'll get our answer. So you got 18,500 divided by 10,000. Gives me an answer of 1.85 hectares. Now it's really important you put in your units, or else you will lose marks in the test. Okay, it's very, very important. Alright, we'll have a look at a couple of others. We'll have a look at H here. So we've got 0.004 kilometers squared. Now we're going to go from kilometers squared to meters. So this time we're actually jumping across 2. So what we do here, we've got kilometers squared. To get to hectares, we times by 100. We follow the flowchart along from there. We go then, we times the next one by 10,000. Do it all together. So we've got 0.004 times 100 times 10,000. And you get your answer of 4,000 meters squared. Maybe we'll have a look at one more. We might look at N, I reckon. So you've got 0.0051 meters squared. And we're starting at meters squared. We're going to go 2 centimeters, so we're going that way. So we multiply by 10,000. And we'll go 0.0051 times your 10,000. You get 51 centimeters squared. Okay, so follow that sort of obvious thing. Follow the flowchart, and you'll get the correct answer for these ones. All right. So have a go at those.